Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that this one that is about the region bounded by y equals to 2x and parabola y equal to x squared. First, we need to graph about this one and this one. This one in here, that is about y equals to 2x. And this one in here, that is about y equal to x squared. Now, we put the value in here. So the region we need to concentrate that is about this one. Now, we need to find the intersection in here and here. So we have y equal to 2x and y equals to x squared. So we have y and y. So you got about x squared equals to 2x. So we put 2x go to the left. Now we can do about factorization by x. So this one we have two solutions. That's about s equal to number 0 and s equals to number 2. So this one in here, that's about number 2. And this one in here, that's about number 0. Now we have the double integrals in here. So we can put the bounds about dy. We see that this one is about y equal to x squared. This one is about y equal to 2x. So this one in here, that's about lower. And this one in here, that's about the upper. So we need to put the lower goal here, and that's about x squared. And the upper, that's about 2x. Now we go to the x. We see that we have number 0 and number 2. So the lower, that's about number 0. And the upper, that's about number 2. Now we need to calculate about this one. The integration of y, we have y squared over 2. And I will put the bounds from x squared to 2x. Now I will put 2x and x squared gone here. Now we need to simplify. Number 2 and number 8, we have 16. This one we have 4x squared. 4x squared with x, we have 4x to the power of 3. This one x squared. And number 2, we have number 4. 4 with x, we have number 5. Next, the integration of x to the power of 3. We have x to the power of 4 over 4. This one is about number 6. And I will put the bounds from 0 to number 2. So I will put number 2 going here, number 0 going here. And now we have the final answer. You got about number 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.